Good evening, everyone. Before you ignore your blurry vision and tell yourself, it's just aging, I want you to hear something shocking. The proteins inside your eye lens were created before you were even born. Your body made them once, and never replaced them again. That means the same delicate lens proteins helping you see today have been working non-stop for 60, 70, even 80 years. And every single year, they suffer more damage from sunlight, inflammation, stress, poor nutrition, and oxidation. Slowly those proteins begin sticking together, turning your once clear vision into foggy mornings, blurry reading, halos around headlights, and the frustrating feeling that your eyes are always tired no matter how much you sleep. Most people think this decline is unavoidable, but modern nutrition research says something very different. Scientists are discovering that certain seeds contain powerful compounds that may help protect lens proteins, reduce eye inflammation, support retinal health, and slow the biological processes linked to cataracts and vision decline. And today, I'm going to show you the most powerful seeds for aging eyes, ranked from helpful all the way to the one combination researchers believe offers the strongest protection for long-term eye clarity. But first, you need to understand something almost nobody talks about. Your eye lens has no blood supply. None. Unlike your heart or muscles, your lens doesn't receive fresh oxygen or constant nutrient delivery from your bloodstream. It survives entirely on its own internal antioxidant defense system, especially a master antioxidant called glutathione. When you're young, glutathione levels inside the lens are extremely high, keeping those proteins clean, separated, and crystal clear. But after age 50, that protective system begins weakening. A barrier forms inside the lens, blocking glutathione from reaching the center where cataracts usually begin. Once that protection drops,